Hey, buddy. Squidward is my best friend.
The anomalies contained inside of the Nevada Spatial Anomaly Laboratory, also known as NSAL, have gone missing. About 5 stealth jets are deployed in all parts of Nevada. Other military squads have been deployed too. If you are able to get underground and seek shelter, you will be evacuated soon. If the anomalies are spotted, call the number 638-232-522-74626776772-833. Thank you for cooperating with the program. God have mercy on our souls.
Yo, what's up, squad? This took me like 30 minutes, and this is me just voicing over the ending. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for just watching the video, and I'm just gonna roll the outro music. So see ya.